if it's love making a rush. Okay. Everybody understands that we are doing it for this purpose. Between the two, some men are they know about sex and they can go to sex even 1 hour before they touch those sensitive parts, their breast, knee, the other parts. No, your whole body is involved in love making. The answer will be do as your crampona or half. So they get to me a penetration. Are possible? But who are doing some kind of system? But man don't they endure sex, they don't enjoy sex. They endure sex because I ain't my said here. My said here. With my wife and I say my boyfriend here. Now me my said here. How does them know? It has to come. It has to come, but Ejina Obani body so Obano understanding of what she's doing at that moment. And the dear no bear man so in more than go. So
relationship any sex in someone just for damn in someone a bobo bana. You see a bay analysis and a book who to say a relationship or personal saying them buana ebu and ya wobana wo cheaty and a bema and a cheating. And any say will be any relationship go what you call any relationship. Now it's for Anka come relationship or say well body bema become boy or not back or dream back out of courtship or not just say a development to another level. And that level will lead to a year our and so it's for both Tayana and saying them do the relationship and it's a relationship and to me a zippy and not enginana. Near our tree a same way in Ababa to jar and say a bacterial actress a Safina. What the same be Ababa to jar and Rana Zion Felix a interview and interview to Jan say one only boyfriend and one day they will honor. Just say boyfriend in the dim Pimwa grown up and Pimwa born in Shen and Yanni the Sa and Koye. Now, as I say, Koye into one more banner. Nay, say what pretended for. Now, since the one say a year birthday, no yourself will pay reverend or both one in the j. Echo Pierre, baby, and I just say, that side, you know, your relationship talks and the idea or make a revelation or a revelation in the business. Oh, that's the money you could journal a deep in Pimwan gra. Obano. Only orgasm when they buy a cast of orgasm, I would die bro, so now we release, you know, and the banner and a car or come. Now it's here for Sana near Bar Safina. Just at that level, I say would drew. Now, say, come back high and a partner now, that level would do. Just a wanted them po, now I pursue. Now I working now, and I could cut them and I say, what did you send your little did you want payment? A cobas and Pimwa girl cost with you with a tone, no rock, and a woman Larry so from our woman, one TV. Now, one TV need to know, and my relationship will know in several minutes. If one say much, me trying to one banana about so. It's for a nearby a Safina and Semia or dear Baba to Jane. Now, apart from name say relationship on so dear. Wabani Benato once see a year on a dear cotton and Pimwa girl. Now, near Bay Wall, how you know, a near Banana who so I will need the fool. And I say, yes, and so I will need you. Aha, they were coming, sir, and were hard. Yebe pense a year ain't same they yoni Thomas bread. Nana, I cover shungo.
Maybe so
very fine dear.
A
small crowd dear.
Cassa.
Nana, young quite a year and same so a year nearby a year Safina. Then some of the other 2 days a 5 year and a partner. Now, a come relationship on so I didn't want to continue back where I bonded. Mama who said I made this person is part of me and I'm part of those person sex. Even though say it be a sex, you know, vital in it, but it takes a portion in the relationship. Now, the person who says, issue that relationship or any relationship in such a situation in future.
That was saying, I say, oh, future, no, a two-sided. A bit me or ain't me. Now, I'm saying, I'm like, my friend, she has to come out to my age at Trefonia and go on show for almost a quarter money tie if they now make call and send you back. Not to say, two-sided, not make kind of say, you can't say relationship be our future. A number of also say, we na or carry relationship, we na religion relationship, we no any satisfied relationship community. They are baby, they only say, I didn't go religious sex, no one just says sex, no religion will not feel okay. Relationship with the baby, and I say future. Anything can come up. The man can change his mind, or no man is making a change in how they say, on to us. The future is not determined by your sexual capacity, and I say your sexual ability. But I need to know, say, sex, no, most of the times, it has a whole lot to do with adrenal.
Oh, okay.
Adrenal, action.
Okay.
So I drink at that particular time. I drink what funny panel and have it as a friend. It has a lot to do with
your performance.
And your performance, but it has a lot to do in the sex. So I drink here say, it's not most of the times no rape issues. Rape, a baby showing or time or home. Not like
rape when it comes on the start here and a but a rape will be a victims and come away enjoy.
And just when they say backlashing for it because it's not right in any way to obey your sister. Rape is rape. Rape is taking advantage of somebody without the person's acceptance and agreement. It's still more validity and usage. But most of the time, over share aftermath of rape now. Man, the door now you we are on being sex. Yes,
it will be a bravo.
Oh, again, and it has a lot to do with the mind. Say, what dream at the moment? And this what baby can say, I don't enjoy sex, and I say, oh, having sex or during the climax, and I say, oh, yeah, orgasm.
Yeah, climax.
I think say most of the sex therapists for no make a choice say, because what doing now they call sex. Maybe we are having so many experiences. We need remember who that we have skills, new styles, and who don't see. At that particular time, they only know what no. The style now, and shut down like or shut down for what in shame. So now, OJ so they know. Hey, that what to
say yes. It involves so many things.
It involves so many things.
And at times, your mind.
I dream in every way. I dream. But I dream una dream una me I dream one dream una me back on you. Yeah. And I mean back on you. I have so many relationships.
I can see it. I can see it. Tasty. Just say do na. It is a kuba bema or pen or pesos take it to na call senior those ones who tasty and that is what we say bema no week or
compare or share today. We did no we not take more due. They ask don't me for sugar. Oh, it's not be more 2 minutes, be more 45 minutes. Obiani is strength. It will be an strength, but in that case, you can be a year no to China. A be no one say sex no. Say, adrenal editum, so we are going to do this. Say, once we be an adrenal, sending signals to adrenal, or body, or sending signals to adrenal. Say, and it will be anything now, Bema, or no, so for him, say, sex, they could be because adrenal, that's nonsense, no, as sending information. And the man, when he said, this is what I said, our body need prepare. Body need prepare. But when we say, oh, sometimes. Obi only needs we share about so you will not feel anything. But Obi only know war into a relationship. So or status or touch you. Now or touch those sensitive parts, maybe we move food, we cheer. Then you start having because adrenaline knows everybody. And see Adia one adrenaline is aware of it. It signals no echo. Now that is okay, this is somebody that I can do this thing with. I did the signal no kwa na I feel a easy feeling. And can the normal circumstance when I'm going to be in the second one, I don't feel issue.
But the other because psychological.
And the normal circumstance when I'm going to be in the second one, I don't feel issue. But Drew sir, maybe Mr. Kofi, Mr. Andrew, I just only will be ground channel just on the second one to pay. They start having those taking fees, start with they are drawing feelings. You see hormones. Hormones, not just
to get prepared for it.
Not prepare hormone. Until we know that answer will be do as your crampona or half. So the victim amount penetration. Are possible?
But could it be said late in Casano or problem as in the system? The way I say a human in terms of almost sex, sexual.
And I'm about to say, if it's not so magazine problem in terms of maybe the libido level, because of a juma, any busy, you don't have dream and so much on sex game. You don't lose those hormones a bar or bar muma or banyatic, and if any libido no banyatic for sex no. Don't lose it because and sometimes to emotional stress.
What the
okay, Obi Wawa, only libido, Obi Wawa, only be cry, what's a hormones. Hormones so and if we chromosomes build the hormones. And the hormones no Obi Wawa baby into a child, no sakana, Obi so ube check. Until you want hormone boosters or your libido boosters, you call just like my dry, my manage, and don't want to be a profit day, not to say what to night and what boost hormones in a way, I win a libido. So, like, at least, when you be an old, out on Sabbath kind of system. But until man don't they endure sex, they don't enjoy sex. They endure sex because I say I said here. I said here, with my wife, and I said my boyfriend here. Now, maybe I said here, let me please.
But I just said,
or enjoy the sex.
Or so bad, just a man enjoy sex.
Or no, I was a pair, different orgasm.
To me, cafe,
and see, who check out a man or more, they never call for sex. Obi a don't know who so only libido, maybe I say libido form, say, on call it for sex that. They be out the whole team. I didn't put in second now. Oh, say a jabba, no, like on showing any emotion because only
does the libido have anything to do with your feelings? Once or better touch you or touch you, definitely when your feelings be I should say you should get prepared for what is next.
Yes.
Even if it happens like that, still because of that libido only beneath or enjoy sex now.
Only libido. I said libido only acting kind of mouth face say I'm doing this.
Okay.
And I think kind of thing say if you are feeling say you are having sex, I know you are feeling sexier.
Okay.
And no libido. If you are not feeling it and you are doing it, you are not doing anything. Like I think kind of but if you want my own libido, but on your bed money didn't shima, orgasm ever. Sex therapist, maybe I'm going to say orgasm no. It has to come. It has to come, but Ejina Obani body so Obano understanding of what she's doing at that moment. And the deals no bear man so in modern go. So
Ekam.
That
is an area very kind.
A bit of the body only the body won't say.
And I went to my back to say, you can wash just say one auntie.
Now, and no say orgasm beba obano. Maybe I can say like records and now statistics among 5 years that will just say Madonna when they have sex, they don't have orgasm. Because when you say sex now, they say okay, uknu and I say partner no okoba no truth no so I feel free. No.
Just say if you want to say how.
If you want to say when you are going feeling like was here for Now, any penetration, say was a fauna penetration, go any orgasm. Orgasm means the next spill I back out when the sex and only climax. No, when you say okay, fine, you do baby. It's going on a heated something that is going on now. Here, not go nothing. Obana saying to be up. All of a sudden, no orgasm. I just say, oh, not Obana. Why relieved? Why relieved? Say like okay, what I want say, but most of the man they don't get. Because say maybe Obama no show him where to touch in particular. And I want say a man will be on here saying jean sports. Say after a clitoris no, say one. If the man is penetrating, not me call to that level or to me touching the G spot now. Then here you know that sex is going on between the man and the woman. But penetration, no benefit, not doing the or no doing the release, not to say, or go to me, why? Like, at least, we I have a fair knowledge of things.
And this is say everywhere they are really enjoying this conversation. Because then how most of us have
now, I do not know say the longer the sex and I'll be not maybe a climax. So I mind so wait me 3 hours, 4 hours, but it will surprise you to know say beat me or them having sex for maybe 7 rounds, 10 rounds. Now orgasm back home. And yes, say a orgasm yet thing. And I say we had your matter. I'm just saying for say Obama the ma the time on ban like a matter on ban a yet thing because of one time back. And because of say men aware of the G-spot.
But to work the lady out to that kind of extent, they are in hurry.
Do not foreplay company or no foreplay no play company. Okay, or not doing say make my surgery that I do them. I'm so or tone, I'm so definitely say, oh, okay, we no, and then they say foreplay or play with them, but foreplay is the whole process. It's even the greater part of the sex. Foreplay. Maybe sometimes when you go for the say foreplay shouldn't be 30 minutes, 45 minutes, something, and so now the 3 minutes, or because some sex can even take up to 2 minutes. The sex, no, the main penetration is everything to 2 minutes.
Normal sex time, what should it be? Is it how many minutes? Like say having a good sex and normal sex time. What minutes should it be?
One say, you see, you're mixing this number baby. It was sex and then love making.
Okay.
Sex no, and then be one night stand. No, we share. We are so near share near. And now finish. I'm touching your head. I'm touching your head. And short term. So look at a bit more maybe some 2 to 5 minutes.
Oh, okay.
Nah, and they
they all love making.
Love making. They can't love making. And no, between two lovers and a couple. And see, one more night, so many ones that say we know we are into this and we are doing this for ourselves. We want to enjoy this. Those say one understanding, so we will enjoy it though. But I know I ask them, but in any way, you know, sex, no, it's a whole process. It starts from somewhere. They might make a boy dream so first and they say, if you want to have sex and get the maximum satisfaction out of sex, no, the two of you must agree internally.
Okay.
You must have the same mind. Say, we are doing it for this purpose. Okay. Now, Obama approach you, Obama aware say we are going this to this extent. And yet today, in perfume man sex babe, no. If it's starting, you should be aware say we are taking it to this step.
So it's like business. You are working each other to the extent say if they do that kind of orgasm level.
And to understand, and rush. Most if it's love making and rush.
Okay.
Everybody understands that we are doing it for this purpose, between the two. And see, I shall say, okay, maybe some neck kiss, some pegs on the cheek, some forehead kiss, and like, you communicate. You know, when sex to communication, you communicate. It is touch it, body, in the part of the body now, the person likes it. It's a form of communication. You are supposed to feel it or also
enjoying that action. So
but most of the times, remember you pay attention to the woman if the woman is enjoying or is liking the way he starts, but or I think it's only about the breast, the buttocks, and the clitoris. When you put me in the Sabia baby, you grab the finger in count or finger in, but it's more than that. Some people can even go to some men they know about sex and they can go to the center even 1 hour before they touch those sensitive parts, their breast, knee, the other parts, your whole body is involved in love making.
Okay,
your whole body.
So that one, dear, you have to say, "We are very releasing it would be 3 minutes, 7 minutes, 13 minutes." But working out, all that it can take 1 hour.
Yes, even that alone, that foreplay alone can make the woman have orgasm.
Oh, okay.
Yes, and the first orgasm will come, and then the first one, they say the wetness, first one, and even sex in my company, you can have continuous orgasm if only the two of you are doing it in the proper way. Okay. Say, say, Fiona, that's understanding, that communication, body to body communication, also now back to the sensitive parts not touching. Say, one go with understanding, the places I will touch ya, and more feel confident and comfortable with him. Okay. It's not not and it's not about Obama so. A man who I get is a man in one and touching. Sometimes the women also touch. The more you touch, I also touch. We are touching each other. We are getting it's at the end, we are both satisfied.
Okay, so this one, it's like it involves so much.
It involves
so much that if you don't have an idea, whether ignorance is not an excuse, you will not enjoy the way you should enjoy.
Now, be same.
And
most of the times, we follow sex therapists or more education, because if you want knowledge about something, you go for it from those who have
knowledge is power. Knowledge is power. So it's very good. Now, we tell for a year and drill just to boost their
libido.
Yeah, libido. They're both men and the women.
Yeah.
Now I want to find out, is it good? A idea here, say, Obama never be too animal. I compare a year true, send your baby and a 10 camel, ever cost you.
Oh, when you say there's no problem with it, unless you say, oh, and what didn't that, and I will boost the art, say maybe your body cannot contain it. You won't say you're taking only case a member or my sexual stimulants or more. In the process of having sex, heart attack and feel. If you already have it, and mostly I don't think it's a chemical ones, chemical drugs,
Okay.
Any enhancers, sex enhancers, and but if it's maybe a bibliotropy, organic drugs being over, and no there aside productive system, most will be doing side effects.
Okay.
So who need say do way for way now take most of them any side effects. Everyone will be piano, no how baby or 2 years old. If it's that way normal fine. And I want more than who boost in the class. It shouldn't be so much. But in here, sexual stimulants and sex drugs are mouthful to boost their energy and your papa. Because at the long run, with energy, will be the energy level. It is that energy that I will suffer. O body now, what the pressure, in say, what do you connect to it? It is or no pump blood, or it is a sex, so you have to do with blood. And say, what is our pressure? No, actually, even say, okay, 3 minutes now for 5 minutes, 1 hour. Just imagine pressure of that 2 what you know, muscle. See, at the long end, which means either heart failure, just because of a major cardiac open. If I think says it would depend on so then you build and learn about it on how you can apply one word to satisfy your woman than say you depend on such drugs now ye if about him sitting at home it's and go for any sex one class
make one hour
go for about say ya sitting ni baba any di what most of us about sex to be go for any sex one class say obey yare the people we echi na when ya man no fa ho
okay
with sex they need na okay that moment na the baby obinya say again I don't know what it is but
now, yeah, drugs now, just say, fun to perform well in sex, you know. What of drugs now, fun to send me a young bear man, bear man, bear Gina, what's say, Obi-Wan, bear man, a video, small, and so on, they'll see, Obama was Shiano, to send a yet one auntie into a penny or so. Nine of our hope, Drew, say, Kawabi grabber. What the shark? I want to be mad and make a see in Diana. Now, because she become or in the operation room. Operation room, I am no cramp where that one. Now, sir, a year and the year and bed manager just to get a bigger steak, you know. And also, one.
I think that when I saw joining the other
person, yes, specific.
But it's particular. Joining that point in a way, say they don't offer, and now 2 man and more be defined. That is not who you are. That's not what you have. And the only one who be and say any one now bad you know any no because obi e fi baby and baby like obi e fi more phrase and we develop it already say the person. It is saying can won and I feel na wo call the exterior thing e be can won na yes that na e dey be so also.
Now the person say be man ne kase ne bear man ne kase na chese wo ye bear man.
That say go how say grandpa no say sex go grandpa no many positions about and sir there are some positions that favor small or any size of a year or bear man community say a year old day na maybe bear man no na say maybe in maybe one position maybe where you are there are so many positions that we may explore anything I mean say knowledge of what you are doing is better than going on away. Say you go say na processing. You should have a knowledge of position.
Conversation where you know a very deep and very educated by everyone. I am big, I am big. It is a sea foot to be our war. Am I in Bana? One the pressure to Ben Mason Bana won't drew. Just a man so on there. Won't to say Bremen boy Juma. Ah, no one is saying a problem. If it will be a photographer,
now, I'm so able to guys. I obey and some of the couple did this to monitor our boy and the 2 hours.
I just
so when you take in the same degree, you got that relationship.
Now, when say celebrate to see their almost some their social media, they all body they will.
I mean, you know, Kakameka say sex, the internet body man, and yet, one family. It is the way yes, you are knowing your money, now, yeah. I saw them because it's for enjoyment, it's for your pleasure, it's for so basically satisfying. We share mapa or buying good sex, man. No, to me, any orgasm. The confidence level is very high. It means that it has positive effect on us. Or then as we sound, or very productive. There are so many things. So many things. I need to be very aware of it, but. In Kofobe, you want to who are very productive. Who are or having sex, good sex, you are very productive. A Jew class and okay, very nice. So, who are there? Now we here for when you did, and now when you're winning, you know why you're here. I'm when you necessarily enough to allow drinking, and I'm here saying, like, what's I say?
Okay. Yo, everything for a banana or Usua and they don't educate and one. But you say what the app does you call or the educated or the app page. Now, living them, what's then I want to phone. But drink and the same, I drink for your comment section or if I'm subscribing to too much, one year. Send you too much, they want too much the amount. You did too when red and this red light in the soil now. Now so said to me I could know to me a chair again. I feel so one more than that likely a share. Never promote a charm with and a that's not the order. Media any messy cow.